Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome to my channel Photoshop, Photography and Lightroom. Today's tutorial very special. It's about basics of layers, and I have uh, get so many mails and that many students want to know about the layers, how layer works, and what are the shortcuts, and what about the masking. They want to know about the basics of the layers. So today I will teach you. If you know about the Photoshop, if you are studying or if you are a beginner, then this is the tutorial of layers that you can get all information about layers from here. So I have a blank. I will go to file, then choose new document with 1200 height, 700 pixels, resolution 100. Click on OK. Then I have this file. As I make this file, that this portion is are about layers. So this is single layer. If I double click on it, then you will get a message to unlock this. So if you want to make so many layers upon this layer, so make layers. Okay. So this is the button for group. If you are working on your project and there are so many layers, as you can see here also, so you can also make a group that you can put your all layers in one group. Suppose I have make a group, then I will select all layers, then move to group. Then in this way you can group all layers. Okay, now I will make a new layer also, and I will fill it with suppose red. I will click Alt backspace to fill the foreground color here. Here is the red color is the foreground to fill in this layer. Okay. Suppose I want to fill this layer with the yellow. Okay. Now this layer is filled with the layer yellow. Now I will delete this group layer. This is masking. This is mask button. So what is masking? Suppose I have two layers. One is yellow, then second is red. If you want to hide some area from the upper layer, from the yellow layer, or some area you want to reveal from the red layer, and this is the use for masking. Suppose from this sheet I want to hide some portion. I will take a selection by choosing this tool, rectangle marquee tool, then click on mask button. As you click, there will be a mask that is black to white. White means hide and black means reveal. So some area is you can see from the this bottom layer, and some area is coming from this upper layer. So again, suppose I want some more area from this yellow. So now I want to choose this brush tool, click on brush, then make sure you have choose this mask. You will paint on the mask instead of this layer. Suppose I have clicked this. Whenever I click, there will be nothing on this. So click on here, then I'm filling with this white area with black, so red area is revealing from the bottom layer. So I hope you have understood the idea behind layers. So as you can see, I have completely filled this mask with the black, so this yellow layer is totally hide, and this red layer is revealed. So then I will again click on this brush. Now this time I will exchange this color with white, then I will fill it with, I have choose this mask button, so I am hiding this area. So if there are so many layers. Suppose this is my layers. If you want to merge all these layers, then there are two ways. One way is ctrl+shift+alt+e, then it will make a new layer. That layer is added automatically whenever I click ctrl+shift+alt+e. Suppose I have select all layers, then ctrl+e, then all layers will be merged. So if you want put some text, suppose, then simply click on text, then click on the area. Suppose ARUN is my text, then a new layer will be automatically added to this area. So whenever I right click on this text, then you will get blending options, and you can put your effects here. Now if I want to make a mask on this layer and I want to hide N from this text tool, then select this text layer, click on mask button, choose brush. Make sure you have select this mask layer, then your opposite color should be black. So I will press X to exchange D for default. Then I will paint it here. So I think you got the idea behind the mask of the layers. Many students, they want to know the mask, but they are not getting the proper tutorial. So if you click Alt on mask, then you will get the mask only. This is the mask. If you click again on the mask Alt by pressing Alt, then you will hide this mask. If you want any effect of this mask, simply shift click on this, then this layer will be cancelled. Then again click on it, then this mask will be active. So in this way you can use this mask as well as some options are here. Suppose one thing more, if you want to convert this to smart object, for smart object you can get my tutorial in previous lessons. Then right click on here, then convert to smart object. In any time you can rasterize it by right click on it, then rasterize. Suppose you have so many text layers are there. Kumar. If I want to copy this effect directly on this, so I will click here, then right click here, then copy layer style, then I will right click here on the Kumar layer, then paste layer style, then this style automatically will put into this layer. Then we have this adjustment layer. There are so many adjustment layers. It's totally non-destructive, and you will get same options from here, like image adjustments. These options are non-destructive. It will fix the effect on the image and it will change the image, but by using all this adjustment layer, it will make a new layer, and it will not fix on the layer directly. Suppose if I want this effect, gradient, so I have choose gradient, then black to white, okay, radial, reverse, then soft light, I want to put it back. I will change so whenever I use this adjustment layer, then it will put a effect with this layer mask. Then this layer mask will same work as this. So if you want to add a image to this, suppose this effect, so I will go to folder directly, then choose your file and drag to the Photoshop, and this file will automatically come here, and so in this way you can put your image directly onto the project. Suppose I want a effect on this. Suppose I want to work with the levels. Suppose this is my adjustment with the levels for this particular image, and I don't want any effect on the other layers. So I want to this effect on this photo, and but now it is working on all image, on all layers. So simply I will click Alt, then you will get this down arrow. It means I want to clip this effect to this image. So click. So now this effect is working on this image. So I will move it to this point. And then again I will do the same thing. Now this time I want to, so I have few options like blending options. I will give you a full-fledged tutorial on the blending options. I have given but all these were in the Hindi, and next tutorials, in coming next tutorials, I will give you full-fledged information about the gradient, this blending options in English tutorials. So now leave it. So we have this opacity. Opacity means the transparency of the layer. Suppose I want to reduce the opacity 56%, you can change it anytime. And I have given you a tutorial on the opacity and the fill. So there is a lot of difference between opacity and the fill, and this is very useful command in the Photoshop, like fill, and both works differently in Photoshop. So if you do the same thing, then you will get the same effect. Some special cases you will need this fill command, so I will give you a separate tutorial on this in my coming tutorials. And I hope you got the idea. And this is our mask button, this is our adjustment layer mask, and this is our group. This is to make a new layer, and if you want to remove any of the layers, suppose this this layer, simply click it or drag it to this delete icon, then it will delete automatically. Or if you want to delete, then right click on it, then delete layer, click on yes. Suppose I want to fix this text in the center of this image. Click this, select this layer, and select this layer, then choose move tool and position it to the center by horizontally and vertically. And I hope you got the idea of the layers and masking in the Photoshop. So I will make a new layer on this, a new mask on this. So firstly we have to arrest this layer, and then click a mask, and then if I want to hide this area, so simply use brush or take it selection and fill it with black. Then you will see here the black area. Ctrl D to deselect. So in this way you can do your work with layers in Photoshop CS6, and I will give you few tutorials on this opacity and fill in my coming tutorials. Thank you friends for watching this video, and I think this may be your good lesson for as a beginner. And keep watching on screen, and please subscribe my channel for the future updation of tutorials.